Hello everyone. How are you all doing? You all are welcome back to the Rendered Family channel. I hope you all are doing well. First of all, we just want to say Merry Christmas to you all, and I hope you all are keeping yourself warm. I'm indoor, but I'm really freezing. I don't know why I'm so cold. Okay, so nevertheless, we are here today to unbox something and set it up. Obviously is Christmas tree. All right, we planned that on the 1st of December we are going to set up everything, but unfortunately the way we planned it is not the way it goes. Okay, so the Christmas tree, they finally delivered it yesterday, and when they got back, they were kind of anxious to fix it up. Okay, we are here today to fix up our Christmas tree. First of all, we are going to unbox it, and after unboxing we are going to set it up. If this is what you want to see, please stay put, don't go away, watch us fix this. Let's fix it together. And before we hop into that, if you've not subscribed to our channel, please, we beg of you, subscribe to our channel. And if you like this video on the long run or the process, do give it a thumb up. Help us to share it to any of your social media. Share it to any of your social media. All right, she is saying that you should subscribe to Rosie's Glam as well. I have a channel that is Rosie's Glam Lifestyle that I do makeup, fashion, and all that. Okay, so let's just hop into that and see how it goes. Okay, please, as we are doing it, ignore any noise coming from the background because Madam, she's chasing Snoopy. She refused to join us. She's after sweets. Okay, so ignore any noise as we do, because I know that she's going to make noise, but she knew that the camera is rolling, so that is when she likes to make her own noise. All right, let's just go into that. This is the Christmas tree that we bought. Did I tell you that it's our first Christmas in England? Yes. It's our first Christmas tree in England. Okay, so this is it. And when I ordered these balls, about 3 of them. They came and light. Meanwhile, I have gone to the shop to buy some balls and all that. So you are going to see them as we start fixing them up. But first of all, let's open the Christmas tree and see how it looks like. So guys, this is our Christmas tree. Like we said earlier on, it's our first Christmas in England, and the kids are so happy. Even me, I'm happy that we can do all this together. Okay, so the length of the Christmas tree is about 6 feet tall. So please watch to the end. Let's fix it together and see how it will turn out to be. Okay, this Christmas tree is a lovely one, but the only disadvantage I have about it is the snowish effects at the tips of the plant falls off, although not much, but I don't expect it to fall off at all. But yeah, it falls off, but not that bad. It's really nice. We bought it from Argos, and it took a while for them to deliver it to us, unfortunately. Like I said, we plan to start everything from 1st of December, but it didn't work out that way. But nevertheless, we have the Christmas tree, and the kids are so excited to fix it up. Okay, let's see how it will turn out to be. So guys, as you can see, all hands on desk, including Jenny. Unlike her own is unplug the balls, break it, try to make a mess. But this year she's really cooperating. It's her first Christmas that she has really participated in arranging, not destroying. So you can see how she's so busy, excited, want to help. If you ask her to take off her hands, it's a war, and nobody's asking her because she's doing a very good job, so nothing to complain about her at all. So I hope you all are enjoying this video. As for us, we are so excited fixing this, and I'm so glad that the kids, they finally got to fix it, because they've been on my neck all these days. Yes, so let me know what you think at the comment section. Please don't forget to leave a comment, and Let me remind us again, please subscribe to our channel if you have not done so, and turn on the notification bell to notify you whenever we post a new video. And please, if you can, to help us to share it to any of your social media or to your family, friends, and all that, or anybody at all, let them come and support us. Okay, thank you. Already, so we're going to decorate it, fix as many balls as we can. Okay, so I hope you all are enjoying the video. Just stay with us and see how this will turn up at the end. Okay, so we start now fixing the balls. When it comes to decorating Christmas, I like my tree to be filled with balls, so I bought as many as I can, or as much as I can. We are going for this year is going to be gold and red, right? So I love to change the theme, like Jason said, every other year. Okay, next year it might enter me to be blue and silver or any other color. So I like to change.
Black, silver.
Yeah, silver and white. Yeah. Okay. So this is going to be under the plant to cover the bottom. Is this big here? This is going to be at the door.
Joy to the world, the Lord has come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare.
This is what we came out from what we have. What do you all think about it? Jason is seriously not feeling well, so he's laying down and he could not join us. Thank you so much for watching. We do really appreciate your time. We do really appreciate you fixing the Christmas tree with us. And please help us to share this video. And if you've not subscribed to our channel, please consider hitting on that subscription button right down there. Subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you each time we upload a new video. Don't mind that. And like to Rose's Glam as well. Thank you so much. You know what? We'll catch you up on our next video. Bye for now. And Merry Christmas.
Bye.
He comes to make